Ever wondered what sinuses are and how they affect our health? Well, sinuses are air-filled spaces found within the bones around our nose and forehead. They're connected to our nasal passages and fulfill several important functions. Firstly, they humidify the air we breathe. When we inhale, our sinuses add moisture to the air, making it easier for our lungs to process. Next, they enhance our voices. Acting as resonating chambers, our sinuses contribute to the timbre and tone of our voice. Thirdly, they lighten the weight of our skull. Imagine having a solid skull. It would be quite heavy, right? But these air-filled cavities make it much lighter and easier to carry around. Lastly, sinuses produce mucus. This sticky substance traps and removes pathogens and pollutants from the air we breathe, helping to keep us healthy. So now that we know what sinuses are and their roles, let's delve into some common symptoms of sinus problems. So, how do you know if you have a sinus problem? Well, it all starts with the symptoms. Sinus problems, often referred to as sinusitis or rhinosinusitis, can manifest in various ways. One of the most common signs is nasal congestion or obstruction. This means you might have difficulty breathing through your nose. Next, you might experience pain and tenderness around the eyes, forehead, or cheeks. The pain may worsen when bending over. This discomfort is often accompanied by sinus pressure or a headache, which is typically felt in the forehead, cheeks, and around the eyes. Another significant symptom is mucus discharge. This can be thick, yellow, or green and may come from the nose or trickle down the back of the throat, a condition known as postnasal drip. Inflammation from sinusitis can also affect your senses. You might notice a reduced sense of smell and taste. Coughing, particularly worsening at night, can also be a symptom of sinus problems. In some cases, you might have a fever, especially if there's an infection. And lastly, you might just feel generally unwell, experiencing fatigue and malaise. These are all common symptoms of sinus problems. But remember, everyone is different, and symptoms can vary from person to person. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's important to get medical advice. Recognizing these symptoms can be the first step towards managing sinus problems effectively. Did you know certain foods can help alleviate symptoms of sinus problems? Let's dive into the world of foods that can assist in soothing the pesky symptoms of sinus issues. First off, we have pineapple. This tropical fruit is not only delicious but also contains bromelain, an enzyme that may help reduce mucus and inflammation in the sinuses. Next up are garlic and onions. These kitchen staples are rich in allicin, known for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial in fighting sinus inflammation. Another spice to consider is turmeric. This golden spice is renowned for its anti-inflammatory compound curcumin, which can help reduce sinus inflammation and congestion. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are high in vitamin C. This vitamin is a potent immune booster which can be beneficial in fighting off the infections that often cause sinus problems. Ginger, with its warming, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant benefits, can also be a great addition to your diet when dealing with sinusitis. Spicy foods like chili peppers and wasabi can help clear nasal passages, providing some relief from congestion. Don't forget about omega-3 fatty acids, mostly found in fish like salmon and mackerel. They are known for their anti-inflammatory effects. Chicken soup, a comfort food for many, can also help. The warm broth can help reduce sinus congestion and soothe inflamed nasal passages. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and sauerkraut can also be beneficial. They help strengthen the immune system, making your body better equipped to fight off infections. Tea, especially green and herbal varieties, can provide relief from congestion and are also packed with antioxidants. Honey is another food to consider. Its antibacterial properties can help fight off infections, while its soothing effect can provide relief for an irritated throat. Finally, leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with nutrients that can boost your overall health and immunity. Remember, while these foods can help, it's important to seek medical advice for a proper diagnosis and treatment in severe cases. In conclusion, understanding sinuses and sinus problems is the first step towards better health. Sinuses, these air-filled spaces in our skulls, serve vital roles in our daily life. Sinus problems, such as sinusitis, can cause discomfort, but recognizing symptoms early can expedite recovery. Foods rich in anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties can aid in alleviating symptoms. However, it's crucial to seek medical advice for severe cases. Remember, your health is in your hands. Knowledge about sinuses and sinus problems is a powerful tool in maintaining good health. Stay healthy and stay informed.